This is Spaceman88 with my new Super Mario hat. Notify me if you can't see everything or you can't see well at all. So I'll get it wrong. This is, let's find out. You read the sign that says Blue Dead Rock Canyon. See, you have to go through this giant maze. Last time I played this, it had a glitch. It took me like 30 tries to just get a glitch. See, I got it, and I floated up, and then I got a glitch. I got the shine sprite, I just got a glitch. See, now the next bit of this, you're gonna die, so I should just get up there and take a break, and then you go back down there again, as everyone can see, and you go down, you get the middle Mario! This makes it more irritating, because you have to wait forever. Ouch. Well, at least this will keep you occupied, killing the birds. And then you wait forever. This is going to take a long time. Maybe I should have put that there. And then you have to wait forever. I suggest you do something with the time and jump around. Figure out what the orange switch does and all that other stuff. You guys can try to make it up there. You can try. It gets really irritating, and that's why it's called Blue Dead Rock Canyon. People should have, if there's any comments called Irritated, this should be called Irritated Rock Canyon. I agree with them, because you have to take forever. Meanwhile, I will be at the my chocolate. Now, where is that chocolate? I lost it. No. Forever. Yes, why not?
I'm tired.
Let's go. Let me get you guys go up here. Get this and get ready for some action. Action or you're out of the way. Some butt spat in action, I might add. Don't worry, you're not going to get irritated unless you run out of water, which will be impossible because you're in water. Then you make your way up here, get up there, kill all those birds if you want to. I'm not going to. Take a shell, fire it at something. Get here and then you'll change to different music. Get up here, blast your way up there, get over here, prepare to dive, literally. See, now when you reach this, dive. Now when you go like this, dive again. And that, folks, is the glitch. That's what happens. And then you have like 2 health left, folks. Now I'm going to add another shine sprite right here. And it's gonna, that thing was called Cage in Sprite. This shine sprite will be called Through the Maze, and those birds just flew away. Awkward. Birds don't fly if we screams. Well, either way, that was my hack, folks, of the day. I'm posting 3 more today, so some of them might have failed, so some might be coming on tomorrow. I'll be making hacks constantly. This will not be saved. Not will be saved. It will not be saved. Not will be saved. And that's all, folks. Hope you had a nice time watching this vid. And bye. You can watch some of my other hacks vids. Just click on my channel. And if you would like to subscribe, you can do that anytime you want. Not like I need subscribers, but you can subscribe anytime you want.